We all know this sound. Did you know in Japan it's actually unable to be turned off? The US, I can just push this, go back, take my photo, no sound. If I tried to do that in Japan, it would still make sound, even on silent mode. The reason for that is actually pretty fucked up, but it's interesting. That's why upskirting in Japan is crazy popular in all the wrong ways. Very common, not popular. Like, you don't go out and do it with your friends for fun. You have problems if you do. It'll usually happen in stations like this because they're busy and there's stairs, so you're walking up the stairs and then you hear, you turn around, they disappear into the crowd. While they do target most people, high school girls are the most vulnerable targets because they have to wear uniforms and they're always skirts. It is not uncommon to be in a station and see an older dude with their phone under a high school student's skirt, taking like multiple photos, making sound, and they don't even care. Mostly in like big cities or like Tokyo, not like rural towns. Like, they're not going to be that obvious because they don't have the same kind of like crowd. You'll also occasionally see this like on the train like that. See how he's trying to be clever, but not really. And escalators, because I mean, same thing as the stairs. So keep that in mind if you go to Japan. Maybe, if you wear a skirt, just be aware of your surroundings. One kind of funny thing about the sound, not the situation, the sound.